Hello everyone, my name is Monica from 3CHD bearing roll number 21BQ1A05M2. Now in this video I am going to discuss about data pre-processing. Data pre-processing, it is a process of transforming the raw data into an understandable format. For example, whatever data we have collected is called raw data, and to make it as an understandable format is called data pre-processing. For example, consider the marks of 60 students A, B, C and so on, or 60, 65, 70, 75 and so on. Some random format of marks is called raw data, and to make it as an understandable format like tables is called the process of transforming that random format into an tables is called data pre-processing. So why do we need pre-processing? Data have quality if they satisfy the requirements of the intended use. There are many factors comprising data quality, including accuracy, completeness, consistency, timeliness, believability, and interpretability. There are some major tasks in data pre-processing. They are data cleaning, data integration, data reduction, and data transformation. Now in this video I will discuss about data cleaning in detail. Data cleaning is a process of removing incorrect or inconsistent or missing values. Data cleaning is a real world data tend to be incomplete, noisy, and inconsistent. Data cleaning attempt to fill in missing values, smooth out noise while identifying outliers, and correct inconsistencies in the data. Uh, data Data cleaning can be done in two ways: handling noisy data and handling missing values. For handling missing values, we have these six points to be remembered. Ignore the tuple. This is usually done when the class label is missing, and it is not very effective unless the tuple contains several attributes with missing values. Fill the missing values manually. That means considering by observing the other rows, we can imagine the value which will occur in the present column, present row. It is time consuming and not feasible when there are many missing values. Use a global constant to fill the missing values, and use a measure of central tendency for the attribute. That means mean, mode, median, etc. Use the attribute mean or median for all samples belonging to the same class as the given tuple. And the sixth point is use the most probable value to fill the missing values. And to handle noisy data, the handling noisy data means the process of removing the incorrect data is called handling noisy data. It can be done in three ways. Noise is a random error or variance in a measured variable. Techniques used to remove those noise is the binning, regression, and the clustering analysis. First of all, we will discuss about binning. Binning methods smooth a sorted data value by consulting its neighborhood values around it. Stored values are distributed into a number of buckets or bins. That means the data given is, first of all, we have to sort the data given, and then we have to store them in bins. Sorted data, for example, take that sorted data for price in dollar. The middle value can be replaced by, if that is if it is nearer to smallest value, we have to replace with the small value, and if it is nearer to greatest value, we have to replace with greatest value. And the second one is regression. Data can be smoothed by fitting the data to a function, such as with linear regression involves finding the best line to fit two attributes. Multiple linear regression is an extension where more than two attributes are involved and the data are fit to a multidimensional surface. That means we have two regressions, linear regression and multiple linear regression. In linear regression, using one attribute we can predict the other attribute. In multiple linear regression, using one attribute we can able to predict more than one value, more than one attribute. Data cleaning as a process. The first step in data cleaning as a process is discrepancy detection. Discrepancies can be caused by several factors: poorly designed data entry forms, human error in data entry, data decay, example outdated addresses, inconsistent data representations. Errors can also be inconsistent due to data integration.